Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. May the 4th be with you. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020, and it is our Star Wars themed day. So today I want you to start off your morning by kicking it off by reading our quote below. Always pass on what you have learned. And that's from good old Yoda. So read that quote to someone at home and tell them what you think it means. Also, try out Star Wars yoga today. It could be really fun and interesting for you to do. Let's jump in and take a look at our week. All right, we have Spirit Week this week. Our Spirit Week is activities for you to do at home. Our Monday is to make it Monday. Make something, make a card, a drawing, a fort, maybe a food, or even a project. Remember, whatever you make at home, email me at sur@eznet.org and I will put it in the shout outs tomorrow. Reading this week, our goal is for this week is to use all you know about reading and research strategies to plan how to study a new topic and use an explaining voice to read with fluency. So like I told you on Friday in our Zoom call, we will be doing a new topic research and we will be researching Native Americans. So you are going to review the chart on the next slide to see which tribe you will have. You're going to read an assigned epic book and you're going to take notes. Some you may need to use a table of contents to find the page for your tribe. Also, you can review the video here for how to do this today. And we're going to be focusing on this week's subtopics are climate, location, and tools and resources. So these are your groups. In order for you to get to your epic topic, you are going to click whichever tribe you have and it will bring you to your epic book here. So that is what you're going to do. In math this week, our math goal is to use visual models and number lines to find equivalent fractions. So you're going to need Math Journal page 240 and 241. You're going to watch this awesome video by Mrs. Traverson for lesson 7.9. After you complete the video, you will do the exit slip, which is in the video. Writing this week will be just like usual, how we do it for a whole week long. This is an ongoing assignment for the week. You did it! You finished Because of Winn-Dixie! Yay! So this week we're going to be writing an essay on the theme of Because of Winn-Dixie. And what I want you to do this week is to prove the theme, friendship and accepting others. So today you're going to watch these videos on what theme is, to remind you of what theme is, and you're going to watch this video on planning a literary essay. You're then going to plan your essay with either a printout copy of our planning sheet or you'll use the Google Classroom and write on the computer. We are going to continue our science this week with volcanoes, and our mystery science this week is why do volcanoes, or some volcanoes, explode? So you're going to watch the video. There are 2 lava experiments here, and there's also a reading about lava in Hawaii. And maybe later this week, I'll post a picture of my trip of Hawaii when I went to go see a very, very old volcano. We have our early finishers activities this week. They are the same as last week. Some reading, some math, some cursive, typing, coding, and then some fun brain breaks. And then last but not least, Mother's Day is coming up. It is on May 10th, this upcoming Sunday. So here are just some ideas that you can do at home to make something special for your moms. Maybe you can frame a photo with your mom. Maybe you can write a poem, make a card, make something special for your moms to give them on May 10th, this Sunday. Something we would do at school if we were together, but some suggestions you can do at home. That's all I have for you today. Have a great day, boys and girls. Remember to read all of the directions fully. Try your best and remember, shine bright. See you next time. Bye.